I've tried to do this intro so many times and I don't even know what to say. And I was like, oh no, I'll make sure I look nice, put some makeup on, you know, not have my like cold sore coming through. But I'm just going to do it because it's all about being real, right? We're real. We're bringing the realness to life. So welcome to my channel. This is something I've been wanting to do for years, but as I've realized over the last week, it takes a lot of time to do. And that's why I've probably put it off, because as we all know, as mothers, women, our mental load and what we've got to think about is a lot. So this just adds another thing and I'm just like not here for it. However, I am motivated. We're heading away to Uganda next week and I thought it would be great. Oh, sorry, I've got like my little time waster here. This is little Zola. Zola, can you say hi? Hi. Yeah. We're heading to Uganda next week. So I thought, oh, well, how cool would it be to document like this process? So that's why I'm starting this little channel, Cross Culture Mama, because my babies are half Ugandan, half Australian. My partner is Ugandan. We met over there 7 years ago now, and I lived there for 3 years. And yeah, now we're heading back. Are we heading back to Uganda? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna waste too much time on this intro. So yeah, so if you want to subscribe, there's like a little thing there. Oh, great burp. That you can click on and subscribe to my channel. Oh,
what are you doing, darling?
Oh, this is Raj.
Hey.
Yeah, this is the. Oh, I can click on your face. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, get out.
All right.
Get out. No. Okay, so if you want to subscribe, see our adventures, we've obviously got this intro video, and then we'll have Uganda. Then when I come home, I've got kitchen renovations happening, and then just life as a mum with my 3 beautiful kiddos. All right, can you say bye? You say bye. See ya. Enjoy. Where are we going again?
Uganda.
Uganda. Oh, you're ready to go? Okay. Where are we going?
To school and daycare.
Okay. Mummy just put Zion's shoes on and my shoes on, okay? All
Your
right.
shoes are not on.
No, they're not. Anyway, so today I'm going to be productive. Let's see how we go. Don't forget your bag. Look at the service from AliExpresso here.
Morning, Jess. Morning, Zola.
I feel like I need a selfie stick. That's something I'm going to invest in. I just went to the supermarket and got some things for Uganda. So shampoo. It's a new one actually. It's curls, so I figured that'd be great for Aaliyah. Deodorant. Some more toothbrushes. Oh, just dropped it. Toothbrushes, hair ties, and I have to remember to pack brushes because last time I remember our brush, or we forgot a brush, and it's really hard to find like good brushes over there. So
Boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka wack, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka wack, chicka boom. Oh yeah, oh yeah. One more time, one more time.
what are you doing?
I'm not going to make a picnic.
A picnic?
Yeah.
Great, you make a picnic. So obviously this is one of the reasons nothing gets done because I've got children. Everything else is ready to go, I think, for the trip. We've got visas for the kids and myself. Aaliyah's a dependent of Raj, and I just need to do it for the other kids. which means they can travel freely to and from Uganda until they're 18 under Raj's dependency. And just a few other things I need to buy for the trip, like swim nappies, and I'll probably take nappies because they get quite expensive over there. More sunscreen, mosquito repellent, because we don't want malaria. That will not be fun. Aaliyah got that last time, and so did Raj, and it was not nice. Should we start packing?
Yeah.
Go to Uganda.
Go my dad.
How are you feeling about going back to Uganda?
Alright. Feeling alright. A bit depressed, it's a month when I lost my dad, but still good.
Yeah, I know.
Still good. Feels good to go see where he was buried again, touch him, clean him, and yeah, and see them too. And just see.
Yay. So today is also the 1 year anniversary of when Raj's dad passed away, unfortunately. So a bit of context there. We all went back as a family a year and a half ago now, and then he suffered a stroke, and then we all came home, and then he passed away when we were back in Australia, which was devastating for Raj. Yeah, I know, you're tired. But with the help of lots of our friends and people, we were able to raise some money to send him back. A bittersweet for Raj going back. Obviously, great to see everyone, but also, you know, it's the first time we, as a family, myself and the kids, will be able to go visit his grave and pay our respects. So, yeah, one of the challenges of living far away, right? About to finish the edit and wanted to finish off the video by saying thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. My first shot. They can only get better from here, right? And if you want to see the next video, that I'll try and do them every 2 weeks. So that will be us going to Uganda and our journey there and then arriving. So if you would like to watch it, then please subscribe, like the video, and yeah, we'll see you on our next one. Say bye, Zola. Bye.